Hi everyone, welcome to the new tutorial. Let's decorate some flip-flops using macrame. Please support me by subscribing, liking and commenting. Thank you! Looking for more beautiful macrame projects? Join the Macramé Tutorials Club and get access to exclusive full-length video tutorials with voice guidance and unique designs I don't share anywhere else. You'll find step-by-step lessons for a macrame teepee, a hanging chair, a guitar holder, and more beautiful pieces coming soon, like a boho bandana, a lace tote bag and a beaded belt. And that's not all, many more unique designs and creative projects are on the way. It's the best way to keep learning, stay inspired and support my work. Click join to start creating with me today. Cut 2 pieces of rope, fold them in half and thread them through like this. Then tie a knot. We'll need 2 pieces of rope for each side. So, using 2 pieces of rope, I'm weaving square knots around the strap of the flip-flop. The first strap is ready, and I am also braiding the second strap. Now I try on the flip-flop and find the place where the straps connect. For me, it's the 5th knot. Cut 2 new ropes. I thread the ropes between the 5th and 6th knots and fold them in half. Cross 2 opposite ropes and make 2 clove hitch knots with the remaining ropes. Pull the inner ropes to tighten the straps. I thread the working rope through a square knot. And then make a clove hitch knot. I add 2 new ropes, one on each side. I thread the rope next to the previous one into the adjacent loop, fold it in half and make 2 clove hitch knots. From the 2 central ropes, I weave a chain of 5 knots. Then I change the direction of the base rope and make 2 clove hitch knots. I cross the 2 base ropes and make 2 clove hitch knots. I tighten the ropes. I count the 8th square knot and thread the rope from the center pattern between the 8th and 9th knots. I thread all subsequent ropes, skipping 1 loop. I trim the ends and glue them from the wrong side. I add the rope to the strap and fold it in half. tie square knots. I made 8 knots. Now I fold the central ropes and tied 2 more square knots around them. I cut off the ends and glue them on the wrong side. Hi everyone, welcome to the new macrame
Cut
tutorial.
the long ropes.
In this
To the
video I will show you
desired
how
length
to make
and
such
tie
a
knots
cute bag
at the
with
ends.
flowers. All parts of the bag are made in macrame technique. How do you like this cute bag? Your macrame decorated flip-flops are ready.